The FW Laser Anilox Cleaners are developed with the newest laser technology and software systems. The design is both aesthetic and highly functional with a drawer system for easy handling. Focus on flexibility makes it possible to clean 2 narrow web rolls in the FW 850-2 Laser Anilox Cleaner. Most importantly, it is a waste-free and sustainable cleaning method with no liquid handling or consumption. You only have to change the filter once in a while. The laser is automatically adjusted to the size of the Anilox roll, making the process fast, user-friendly and safe. It is safe under all conditions of normal use. No need for safety goggles or other safety equipment. Cleaning data and alarms can be accessed by technicians via LAN connection. Every Anilox and its cleaning log is registered in a database, ensuring a well-documented cleaning log of each of your Aniloxes. You can break down the cleaning into a 4-step process. The high-frequency laser will clean the Anilox with precise defined pulse, which ensures an even distribution of energy. The extraction system removes all dust and fumes and stops automatically when the cleaning is done. The operator can open the front panel and easily unload the Aniloxes. The FW Laser Anilox Cleaner can be installed without water supply, drain or safety equipment.